percentage of the stock was healthy, and in this about 135 stocks were assessed. This practice we will be doing every 5 years. So every 5 years now new stock assessment will be coming in 2026, and in that we have to see how many species are being recovering, or it is collapsed, or it is being rebuilding, or it is sustainably reached. All those things will be coming across, and these informations will be of course passing to the departments, our Department of Fisheries, and they will be implementing policy guidelines. In short, this is Sevakala is a policy, you can call it as a policy engine, because we do have we prepare national frameworks, inputs for national marine policies, that is Native Marine Fisheries Amendments, then strategic guidelines, blue economy guidelines, and minimum legal size advisories to multiple states. We do have given, I think, almost all the coastal states now we have given the MLS, that is a minimum legal size in which the fish has to be fished. So when we are telling about, because one of the major issues, especially with the fishery industry is facing, is that there are always some people are telling they are catching all the juveniles. The main implementing agency are the state departments. So all the advisories given to the state departments, they will be looking after that whether the juveniles are coming, and I think most of the states have implemented it. For Karnataka, I think we have given for 70 species, and already they have given 19 species. Then somebody was asking why 19 species, why you are not implementing 70 species. So the answer is, let us complete this 19 species first. Let us see how best it is going forward. Then the other species will come in line, because these 19 species are the major resources which is contributing to Karnataka fishery.